Sam's nap. Practice reading with short A sounds. Sam has a red hat. Sam sat on a mat. He had a big bag. Sam took a nap. A rat came to tap. Sam saw the rat. The cat ran to the rat. Sam and the cat took a nap on the mat. One. What color is Sam's hat? Red, pink, blue. Sam's hat is red. 2. Where did Sam sit? Lap, cat, mat. Sam sat on a mat. 3. What did Sam have? Cat, bag, rat. Sam had a big bag. 4. Who came to tap? Cat, rat, Sam. A rat came to tap. 5. What did Sam and the cat do? Nap, pat, sat. Sam and the cat took a nap.